Video 3 of the Samoan sentence structure series is the habitual te tense marker. All of the other tense markers combine directly with an action. The te tense marker combines with the pronoun. It functions similar to the habitual be in African American vernacular. Habitual actions: I walk to the store, I be walking to the store. I play video games, I be playing video games. The only difference is in African American vernacular, you can say John be, the cat be, the car be. You can use proper nouns like a name or common nouns like cat and car. Whereas the Samoan habitual te can only be used with pronouns. I be, ote, you be, ete, we be, mate, matote, tatote, they be, latote, and so forth. Samoan pronouns are far more descriptive than English pronouns, so there's a whole lot more of them. But that's an entirely different subject, and you can find those videos on the Mato section of the pacificapages.net, as well as a list of pronouns that you can use with the habitual te tense marker. The habitual te, like the habitual be, is the tense for habitual actions.